Okay, I'm all about practicing on something before you actually ruin your piece. You know, it's a shame to go to all the work and then have a slip up or a tool that's out of adjustment just enough, and you ruin 2 days worth of work. So I like to do things like this. I got a scrap piece of wood here. I've taken my hinges and I've made a mark where about how deep they're going to be on the door, and I took my pencil and made a mark around here like this. And then I took a straight edge and made another line that will represent the edge of the door. If when I actually route the door, it slips and I come through here and pierce through here, I'm going to make an unsightly mark on my door. And that's going to be very disappointing. So I'd rather practice now and make sure my depth is right with my router, and that my control, that I feel kind of how the bit's going to go through this material. Always wear headphones with your router. It'll throw stuff in your face, so wear your safety glasses and your hearing protection, because routers are really loud. And I'm going to fire up and do this test piece and see how it works out. Okay, it looks like I did pretty good. Looks like the depth is set about right. I can clean this up with a chisel. This will be just fine.